Hello everyone, welcome back to the family of Vivekananda Academy of Human Excellence. Today I would like to teach you a very important lessons belonging from our mathematics. Lesson number 4, Geometry. In that geometry, plane and solid shapes. Then what are the plane and solid shapes? Planes or solid shapes क्या है? Planes means what? And solid means what? So plane geometrical shapes indicates that the two-dimensional shapes and solid shapes indicates that the three-dimensional shapes. अब two-dimensional और three-dimensional ये क्या है? What are the two-dimensional and three-dimensional? Two-dimensional means we just observe, we just watch, यानी प्लेन शेप्स में हम सिर्फ देख सकते हैं, लेकिन सॉलिड शेप्स में क्या है? इन अ सॉलिड शेप्स वी ऑब्जर्व, हम उसे पहचान भी सकते हैं, हमें जो भी चीज है थ्री डायमेंशन में है वो एक्चुअल में वहां पर है ऐसा लगता है. दैट मींस दैट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन टू डायमेंशनल एंड थ्री डायमेंशनल. यानी टू डायमेंशनल में सिर्फ हम उसे देख लेते हैं, नहीं, इट इज द पिक्चर ऑफ अ बुक. एंड सॉलिड शेप दिस इज अ बुक, यानी वो पूरी तीनों साइड से वो बुक हमें अच्छी तरह से दिख जाता है. दैट मींस ज्योमेट्रिकल शेप्स, प्लेन एंड सॉलिड शेप. इन दिस चैप्टर basically we learn about various kinds of shapes like square, rectangle, circle, sphere, cone, as well as cuboid and cube. So everybody, you should draw these kind of pictures in your notebook.
A square has 4 sides and 4 vertices. All the 4 sides are equal in length. A rectangle has 4 sides and 4 vertices. The opposite sides are equal in length. A triangle has 3 sides and 3 vertices. About the circle, it has no sides and no vertices. And about the oval, an oval is an elongated circle. It has no vertices. Observe these kind of pictures carefully.
Already I have been writing the various kinds of geometrical structures like square, rectangle, triangle, circle and oval, and also their characteristics, that means informative parts of various shapes. But before going toward the shapes, I would like to show you some objects like this square, rectangle, triangle, circle and oval. First of all, square. This is not a square, this is a cube, 3-dimensional cube, but front portion looks like a square. Square has all equal sides. This portion also shows that all sides are equal. Second, rectangle. I would like to show you an object, rectangle. Opposite sides are equal. Both sides are equal as it is opposite side. This side also equal. That means vertical sides as well as horizontal sides. Both sides are equal. That means this is not a rectangle. This is a cuboid. But the front portion looks like a rectangle. I would like to put this rectangle in this picture. Both portions are same. That means opposite side of rectangle are equal. It has 4 vertices. Vertex means endpoints of every side. These are a vertex of rectangle. ये rectangle की vertex है. And these 4 are vertices. That means plural form of vertex. It is called vertices. These are 4 vertices of rectangle. Next one, triangle. Also I would like to show you another triangle. Triangle, tri means 3. यानी इस triangle को कितने sides है? This triangle consists of 3 sides. 1, 2 and last 3. So again, next one, circle. So everybody observe this picture of circle, and this object looks like a ball. This is not a circle. This is a sphere. क्योंकि ये 3 dimensional है, it looks like circle, but it is not circle. It is a sphere. Next, oval. That means elliptical and elongated circle. It is called oval. So point number 1, square. A square has 4 sides. A square has how many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 equal sides are called square, and 4 vertices, that means end point of every side. How many vertices are occurs in a square? There are 4 vertices of square. 1, 2, 3, and last one 4. So observe the picture of square carefully. Vertex, end point of sides, and this is a side. Next point, rectangle. A rectangle has 4 sides as usual square, and a rectangle has a 4 equal sides. No, 4 unequal sides. That means opposite sides are equal in the rectangle region, and also 4 vertices as it is. How many vertices are occurs in a rectangle? There are 4 vertices. 1, 2, 3, and last one 4. Next, point number 3, triangle. A triangle has 3 sides. 1, 2, and 3. A triangle consists of 3 sides and 3 vertices. 1, 2, 3. The triangle consists of 3 vertices. Next, point number 4, circle. You observe the picture of every kind of circular portion. So I would like to show you some circular objects. Observe this picture of circle. And point number 1, a circle has no sides. There is an absence of sides. यहाँ पे सर्कल को कोई भी साइड नहीं है. It is in a circular shape, and no vertices. Due to the absence of sides, there also absence of vertices. सर्कल को ना ही साइड्स होते हैं ना ही vertices होते हैं. As it is. Next, oval. Observe the last picture of oval. An oval is an elongated circle, यानी elongated circle. It also has no vertices. So oval को भी sides नहीं होते, as it is vertices भी नहीं होते. That means in a oval there are absence of sides as well as vertices. So today we learn these kind of 5 basic geometrical shapes and their sides as well as vertices. So write down these kind of 5 important points in your notebook, and also draw picture of every kind of geometrical shapes using scale and pencil.
In this lesson, in exercise number 1, we have to take some examples related to the different kinds of shapes. Observe this diagram carefully and give the correct answers.
In the exercise number 1, I have been taking one example about the geometrical shapes. Question: identify the shapes. इस चित्र को पहचानो, इस पिक्चर को geometrical shape को पहचानो, and fill in the blanks and fill the remaining blanks. So point number 1, this is dash dash. ये क्या है? This picture shows that what is this? ये क्या है? This picture shows that this is a rectangle. ये क्या है? Rectangle है. Why it is rectangle? इसे हम rectangle क्यों कहते हैं? Because this picture shows that equal, and it has how many sides? It has 4 sides and 4 vertices. Question number 2, it has dash sides. It has, we have to count the sides: 1 side, 2 side, 3 side, and last one 4 sides. It has how many sides? It has 4 sides. It has 4 sides as it is. Next, it has dash vertices. It has 1, 2, 3 and 4 vertices. It has how many vertices? It has 4 vertices. And last point, it dash sides are equal in length. In a rectangle, upper side is equal to lower side. ऊपर वाली साइड से नीचे वाली साइड मैच करती है. Its 2 sides are equal in length. ये दोनों साइड्स इक्वल है और ये ऊपर वाले दोनों इक्वल है. लेकिन ये और ये, this side and that side, both sides are not equal. Only opposite sides are equal. Due to this reason, question number 4, its 2 sides are equal in length. How many sides? 2 sides are equal in length. So write down these examples in your notebook, and as it is in exercise number 1, you should solve remaining examples as it is.
Solid shapes are shapes that have length, breadth and height. Each side of solid shapes is a surface and is called a face, which can be flat or curved. 2 faces always meet at an edge, which can be straight or curved. 3 edges meet at a point called vertex. Observe one example of cuboid.
Next point, solid shapes. We are going toward a very interesting fact, very interesting concepts in a geometrical plane and solid shapes. Point number 1, solid shapes have length, breadth and height. Length यानी लंबाई, breadth यानी चौड़ाई, height यानी ऊंचाई. Those kind of objects are having length, breadth and height. These are belonging from solid shapes. So I would like to show you one object which follows the all kind of characteristics of solid shapes, that is cuboid. Observe this object carefully. This cuboid has length, breadth and height. Length, breadth and height. So those kind of objects shows length, height and breadth. These are belonging from solid shapes or cuboid. Point number 2, each side of solid shape is a surface and is called a face. That means observe this object. This is a plane surface, that is called a face. And point number 3, 3 edges meet at a point called vertex. Then what are the vertex? Vertex, that means 3 edges, 1 edge, 2 edge and last one 3. 3 edges meet in a single point. It is called a vertex. So let's count the vertices of this cuboidal shape. Number 1, 2, 3, 4. ऊपर के 4 vertices as it is 5, 6, 7 and 8. That means this cuboid has how many vertices? 8 vertices. Next point, observe this picture. Already I have been drawing on a blackboard. Cuboid. Vertex, 3 edges meet in a single point. It is called a vertex. flat face and edges. So in this points of type, point number 1, it has 6 flat faces. Cuboid has 6 flat faces. B, next point, it has 12 edges. So let's count the edges of this wooden box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and last one 12. This cuboid has how many edges? 12 edges. It has 8 vertices. Vertices, it is a plural form of vertex. Vertex यानी तीनों sides जिस एक पॉइंट में मिलते हैं उसे हम वर्टेक्स कहते हैं and the plural form of vertex are called vertices. So let's count the vertices of this cuboid. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and last one 8. That means it has how many vertices? It has 8 vertices. Examples. Duster also shows the various kinds of characteristics of cuboid. I would like to show you a duster. It looks like an object. Opposite sides are also equal and it has 8 vertices. So everybody write down this kind of vital information in your notebook and also draw a picture of a cuboid using scale and pencil.
Second point, cube. Observe this three-dimensional diagram of a cube. It has 6 flat faces. It has 12 edges. And last one, it has 8 vertices. Next, sphere. It has one curved face. Sphere has no edges. It has no vertices.
Second point, cube. Observe this neat labeled diagram of a cube. It has all equal sides. Point number 1, it has 6 flat faces. First of all, I would like to show you an object of a cube. This is a 3-dimensional cube. A cube है. Also you know that the Rubik cube, we can solve Rubik cube all sides of equal colors. It has 6 flat faces. So let's see how many faces this cube has. 1, 2, 3, 4. Back side 5 and last one 6. It is true. It has 6 flat faces. Second point, it has 12 edges. So let's count the edges. Upper portion 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 edges as it is. Downside 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Upper 4, lower 4. Total हो गए 8 edges. Up side 9, 10, 11, 12. It is also true. It has 12 edges. Third point, it has 8 vertices. Vertices यानी whenever 3 edges are meet in a one dot, one point, it is called a vertex. So let's count the vertices of this cube. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Third statement, it is also true. It has 8 vertices. For example, Rubik cube and dice. Next, third point, sphere. We observe that various kinds of balls, tennis ball, baseball, orange, these kind of objects looks like a sphere. Point number 1, it has one curved face. उन्हें सिर्फ एक ही curved face होता है. Before going toward the theoretical part, I would like to show you a sphere. This is a sphere. Sphere looks like a ball. It has one curved face. Second, it has no edges. There is no specific edge to this sphere. Third, it has no vertices. That means those kind of edges are meet in a one point are called vertices. but here is absence of vertices. इस sphere को कहाँ पर भी vertices नहीं है. Example: ball, orange, etc. So write down these kind of important points in your notebook and also draw a neat labeled picture of cube as well as sphere and count their edges, their vertices and their flat faces.
Next, number 4, cone. It has one curved face, it has one flat face, it has a one curved edge, and last one, cone has the one vertex. So we know that birthday cap as well as ice cream cone and traffic cone looks like a cone. Number 5th, cylinder. It has one curved face, one flat faces, two curved edges, and there is absence of vertices.
Next, point number 4, cone. It has one curved face. First of all, observe this neat labeled diagram of a cone. A cone has a one vertex. This portion shows that curved face and downside portion shows that a flat face. I would like to show you an object of a cone. Observe this object carefully. Point number 1, it has one curved face. It has one flat face. It has a one flat face. Third, it has one curved edge. This is an edge of this cone. Point number 4, it has one vertex. It has a one vertex. That means these 4 conditions are followed by this cone. For example, ice cream cone. This cone, it also looks like an ice cream cone, as well as birthday cap. Birthday cap, it also looks like a cone. So observe this picture of a cone. And next, point number 5, cylinder. It has one curved face. Look like this object follows all kind of conditions of a cylinder. It has one curved face. Second, it has two curved edges and it has no vertices. Cylinder को एक भी vertex नहीं होते. For example, candle or flame. So observe both neat labeled diagram of a cone and cylinder. Write down the characteristics of both geometrical solid shapes in your notebook. The next and last point in this chapter, objects that slide and roll. Point number 1, solid shapes with flat faces, they can slide. Observe these kind of figures of cube, cuboid, cone and cylinder. They can slide. So I would like to show you. This is a cube. We can slide this cube from one place to the another place, but we cannot roll as it is. Number 2, solid shapes with curved faces can roll. So I have this cone, so I can roll this one from here to there. मैं इसे यहाँ से यहाँ तक roll कर सकता हूँ. That means those kind of objects you are watching in this picture, cone, cylinder and sphere, solid shape with curved faces, they can roll. So both categories, solid shape with flat faces and curved faces. Flat faces objects we can slide from one position to the another position, and curved faces we can roll from the one position to the another position as it is. This is a sphere. We can roll this sphere from one position to the another positions easily due to the curved faces. This sphere roll on anywhere. So write down these kind of two categories of solid shapes with flat faces and solid shapes with curved faces. Flat faces objects slide from one place to the another place, and curved faces are roll from one position to the another positions. Next, stacking. What is mean by stacking? To arrange the same solid shapes on above to the others. That means consider I have a cube. I can place another cube over here. I can place another cube over here. That is called stacking. Observe this figure carefully. I have already arranged 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 cubes over above the others. And one cubes, cuboids, cylinders can be stacked in. Cubes, cuboids and cylinders can be stacked in. But spheres and solid cones cannot be stacked. स्पीयर्स को और सॉलिड कोन्स को एक दूसरे के ऊपर स्टैक नहीं कर सकते. So write down last 2 points about stacking in your notebook.